So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-T730DW printer driver download. So open any browsers to Google search box to like that and you will get result. So this support.brother.com, just click on it. Other operating system also there, Mac, Linux, mobile, and in the Windows select the Windows 11, Windows 10 32-bit, 64-bit and server also there. Then click to OK. After that, this is a printer driver with the USB, so click on it and agree to download. So it will start downloading in the download box. Yeah, so it is downloaded. Then click on this icons where it is downloaded. So right click, copy and come on desktop. For this is easy to install. Okay, and then right click and click open. So it will create the folder and same location. Click to OK. After that, on your printer and connect to your laptop desktop via your printer USB cable and click to start, and then setting, then click to Bluetooth device and a printer scanner, add. So after add, it will show the manual options. Manual, use local printer, next, next, have disk, browse. So this is folder, double click and select the INF. Okay, and then okay, okay, then find out T730, T730 this is. Okay, and next, this is installing. Yeah, it is done. Next and finish. So this is your printer, as you can see, this is your printer is installed. After that, restart your printer and system also.